Well, young lady, I'm going to be keeping my eye on you. You definitely have talent, and you have a certain charisma about you. You keep up the good work, and keep giving the glory to God. Because I think that you could go very far. And keep sending me your videos. In fact, somebody else, a friend of yours sent me your video and asked me to listen to it. So you have other people listening to you and sending me your videos. So you be blessed, and you keep working. And always, always remember where your talent came from. Never forget that. Give him all the glory and praise and honor, because he is the one who gave you this gift. And he is the one who will take you very far. You be blessed. And keep singing. And keep that joy in your heart, because it shows in your eyes. Bless you. Goodbye. Remember to have fun. Have fun with it. As I can tell you are. Talk to you later.